detail took about 2.5 hours. Not bad. So let me show you this check. All right. So there you go, guys. Total that we made. What is up, guys? It's your boy Tony. We are back again, same location. This is gonna be our second time detailing this big boy truck right here. This is a matte paint job. This is from the factory right here, guys. As you can see, the truck is dirty. Yeah, the inside is dirty, guys. This truck got dirty, as you can see. Let's go ahead and do the before video so y'all can see, guys. Truck is dirty. So I like to start it on the inside first. So we're gonna get started on the inside, then we're gonna wash it. Alright. Check it out, the truck is dirty. Yeah, the truck is dirty, guys. Alright. No big deal. Alrighty, guys, so as you can see, I got the floor mats. I'm gonna wash them in a minute, but I'm almost done with the inside. Now I'm not doing a lot of video because I am trying to hurry up, but as you can see, I already finished cleaning the door panels. Alright, now this is this type of customer. He doesn't want no shine, he just want everything look factory. So we're gonna give him the factory look, no shine on the tires. He doesn't want no shine, no shine. So we just really just cleaning, disinfecting, and seats are clean. All right, I like to start in the back, and yeah, the seats are clean right here too. I went ahead and cleaned the back window, clean the back window already. I'm gonna leave the front windshield last. I always leave that last because sometimes it gets dirty. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and vacuum right here, and yeah, everything else is clean. The seats, the dash, the door panels. So now I just gotta vacuum and we'll be done with that, and then we can go ahead and wash the truck, guys. All right. Oh yeah, also, as you can see, I extended the vacuum since the truck is a little bit tall. That way I won't have to pick up the vacuum. So I like this one because it came with attachment. So I still have another extension like this. Comes with 2 of them. So it's pretty cool. All right, let's get started, guys. Let's do it. ahead of the game. The insides are nice and clean. Now we're gonna go ahead and wash it. Now this right here is a special soap. All right, getting my soap ready. We're gonna be using the matte body wash. All right, this right here is a matte paint job, so you cannot use the regular car soap. You gotta use different kind. All right.
Late nights, been a long flight, stayed on strange time. It's a strange time in my life. I took a drive to clear my mind, and I ended back at your spot for what felt like the millionth time. Reconnection from separate sections, cause we could meet in the middle with no sense of direction. If it's sun up to sundown, we mess around, we're way too involved now. I never wanted someone to disappear, to just get out of here. I never wanted someone to take control. I let you take control, I let you in too close. So baby, just go ghost. Now baby, just go ghost. Hey. You called, I let you in and 4 walls. Kept our secrets hidden, eating fruit so forbidden. Kept our secrets safe, cause the temptation, it felt like pure relation. I gave you my attention, but now it's hard to mention. I don't feel a spark when you say my name. Reconnection from separate sections, cause we could meet in the middle with no sense of direction. If it's sun up to sundown, we mess around, we're way too involved now. I never wanted someone to disappear, to just get out of here. I never wanted someone to take control. I let you take control, I let you in too close, so baby, just go ghost. Now baby, just go ghost. I never wanted someone to disappear, to just get out of here. I never wanted someone to take control.
Alright guys, well we finna roll out. I hate that I couldn't get a after video, guys, of how he came out, but trust me guys, it came out super nice, guys. It just came out nice. But yeah, he came out the building, guys. He had to leave, and as soon as he came out, the truck was already, done. I was just giving it a little final touches and all that. And y'all told him, yeah, it's ready. But I didn't get a chance to do a video. But it took us about 2 hours, about 2 hours and a half, because I had to stop, do some videos for y'all guys, and also post some videos on Facebook. Not only that, I got customers texting me and calling me for the bounce house business and all that. So I did have to make a few stops, answer some phone calls. But Could have been less. We could have get it done maybe in 2 hours or less, but the money was still good, guys. I got the check right here. I'm gonna show it to you guys how much I made. And like I said, this was not the complete process for the matte wash. Only thing we did was wash it. It's a full detail, but the only thing we did was wash it, clean the inside, disinfect, vacuum, clean the wheels, all that type of stuff. But this time we did not do the whole process like we did last time. Last time we made $450, but that's because I spent more hours. I actually spent like 4 hours washing that truck. This time I only spent like 2 hours and a half. All right, so total that we made for this one, guys, check it out. This is just a basic full detail, guys. It's just nothing too extreme. All right, $120. All right, there you go. You see it? There you go. Check it out. $120. All right, easy work. Easy work, guys. All right, $120. This is really considered a maintenance wash because when we cleaned it last time, you know, we took most of the dirt out. So now that we come back again, and this is like the second week already, so he pretty much caught me every 2 weeks. So this is guaranteed money. So the maintenance wash is only $120. That's not bad, you know, and it wasn't that bad. It wasn't dirty, guys. Keep in mind, when you work in a 9-to-5 job, you have to work 8 or sometimes 10 hours to make that type of money. When we only made it 2 hours and a half. So if I can do this in 2 hours, come on, man. Get out there. You can do it too. Get out there. It only took me 2 hours, guys. 2 hours and a half. And that's what I made, $120. Easy money, guys. All right? I'm trying to show you guys you can make more money. All right? But you got to get out there. You got to get out there, guys. All right? But I'm finna roll out. I'm trying to stay away from the 9-to-5, guys. And ain't no going back. We do got bookings for the bounce house business, guys, so stay tuned. We got some more content coming in for the bounce house. And lately we've been running this detailing business, guys, so y'all gotta start seeing a little bit of a mix of content. All right, but stay tuned. Let's keep grinding, guys. Let's keep hustling. Let's get it. And we out, baby. Let's get it.